Konamic Part 2. The max index for the sequence of keys in the Konami code, it must be 7. The first and last arrow key, the individual arrow key codes, cross-checking our key masked key codes with our Konamic key codes. They should be the same. This is invalid. It's a constant. Is the Konami key activated? And the pointer into the Konami code array. And here's our array of key codes for the Konami code. There should be exactly 8 keys in that array. In the function we're calling every time we press a key, if it is an arrow key, then we want the raw arrow key key code, and we want to cross-check it against what we're expecting for the Konami code. So there's no offset here when we calculate the raw arrow key. We're going to use our pointer into the Konami code array, and if we have the correct key, or if we don't have the correct key, we're going to reset the code. But if the code is correct, eventually that pointer is going to go out of bounds. If it's gone out of bounds, we have typed the entire Konami code, and we have activated. We'll reset the pointer after we activate to make sure we don't do out of bounds access here. The next time we call this function, if the Konami code is activated, then we're going to end up in this block of code. We're going to reset the Konami code, and we're going to do everything we need to do. Right now, we're just going to say to do Konami code stuff, and we'll do the rest of the logic in another video. In key mask down, we're going to call the Konami code function right here. And this is what we did previously, and here's what we did. Oh, that's a footnote. Here's what we did in this video. So you have been on this video. If you want me to go into more detail, go to this playlist here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 181. Like and subscribe.